Hi Swapna, wish you a very happy 40th birthday. Hope you have a great day and a great year ahead. Wish you loads of success with Loudest. I think you guys are doing just amazing job, very impressive, and wish you all the luck and happiness. Bye.
Hi Lintu, wish you a very happy birthday. Hope you're doing good. Welcome to the 40 Club and enjoy your day to the fullest. What do I say about you? I have been knowing you since I was, I guess, 5 years old, and I have been visiting your house at Dugda for many such birthdays. So, hope this is going to be one of such birthdays and you'll have fun. So take care and enjoy. Bye bye.
Happy birthday, Lintu. I wish you a great year ahead. Have fun, stay blessed, stay happy, and keep doing the great work that you're doing. Stay at home, have a good time with your family. Take care, buddy. Have fun.
Hey Swapnil, wishing you a very happy 40th birthday. As you know, it's a pandemic birthday, so a different. This calls for a different celebration, I guess. Hopefully, you have a fun-filled day, and I've been very proud of what you have achieved till far in life. Here's wishing more success for the rest of your life. And as you know, someone said life begins at 40, and it has all been practiced till now. So I'm wishing you up much more successes in.
Hi Swapnil, happy birthday dost, the lovable boy of our Sinasar hostel at DPS धनबाद. सिनासर हॉस्टल से बहुत कुछ याद आ जाता है. सुबह सुबह बालकनी से रोड पे देखना, फिर शाम में स्कूल टाइम ख़त्म होने पे रोड पे देखना, याद आया है कुछ? एनीवेज, बहुत सारी यादें जुड़ी हुई है उस हॉस्टल से. By the way, why are you losing? I mean, why are you slimming down? Are you trying to become naughty at 40? अरे तुम तो naughty पहले से ही था. Anyway, I wish you run one marathon this year, यार. Wish you a very happy birthday, दोस्त, and stay safe. Take care.
हेलो स्वप्निल, कैसे हो? होप यू आर स्टेइंग सेफ एट होम. चलो, दिस फ्राइडे यू आर टर्निंग 40, सो यू विल बी कमिंग टू द 40s लीग विथ रेस्ट ऑफ योर बडीज लाइक मी. और इस दिन पे मैं कुछ मेमोरीज जो हमारे हॉस्टल की मेमोरीज हैं, बिकॉज तुम ना केवल मेरे हॉस्टल मेट थे, यू आर ऑल्सो माई रूम मेट. सो कुछ जो मुझे याद है फ्रॉम माई गजनी मेमोरी, इट वाज लाइक, एक तो था जब हम लोगों ने रात में इन द मिडनाइट हम लोग चाय बेच रहे थे. सब लोग, एवरीवन वाज सेलिंग टी, चाय गरम चाय एंड व्हाट नॉट. यू तुमको ज़्यादा अच्छे से याद होगा. एंड देयर वाज अ कंप्लेन नेक्स्ट डे फ्रॉम द नेबर्स. So that was one of the things which will be in memories forever. और दूसरा जो तुम्हारा क्रिकेट के प्रति प्यार जो है, जिसमें कि तुम टेक्निक्स और टेक्निक्स की बातें करते हो, प्लस जो क्रिकेट कमेंट्री तुम्हारी रहती थी, इट वाज रियली ऑसम. और आज के दिन में भी अगर देखा जाए तो यू आर डूइंग अ वेरी गुड एंड नोबल जॉब अलॉन्ग विथ अनुराधा. बिकॉज हम लोग तो बस यार ये दुनियादारी में फंसे हुए हैं, बट यू पीपल आर रियली गोइंग out of the way to help the society and fight for some noble causes, and you people definitely deserve salute for that. So ऑल द बेस्ट. और इतना ही बोलूँगा कि अपना ये जो 40th बर्थडे है उसको अच्छे से मनाओ घर में रह के. और जब भी कभी दोबारा मिलने का मौका मिलेगा तो डेफिनेटली एक बड़ी पार्टी चाहिए तुमसे, ठीक है ना? एंड बी लाइक दिस ओनली, एंड ऑल द बेस्ट. बाय. हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन. बाय.
Hi Swapnil, wishing you a very happy 40th birthday. Have a great one.
हाय स्वप्निल, कैसा है दोस्त? If you're watching this video, then two things have happened for sure. One, I have made the deadline for a change. And two, there was somebody instrumental in reminding me at the right time. Well, we can thank her later in the video. A few words about you. कहाँ से शुरू करूं? 1.5 मिनट की वीडियो में इतना सब कुछ है कहने को यार. क्विज मास्टर, थोड़े और एडजेक्टिव्स यूज करते हैं, थोड़ा तुझे भी खुश करते हैं. You were bloody quick-witted, intelligent, opinionated, wicked, amazing sense of humor. चाहे वो चाय की टपरी पे जैसा चाय पीना हो या चेतक के मिसल पाव खाना, वो तेरा सुबोध और निकुंज और प्रवीण और सरदार के कमेंट्स के ऊपर विशेष टिप्पणी देना हो, या तेरा obsession with perfection, or even obsession with that one person who you eventually ended up marrying. I'm sure she's very lucky. Bharti, he's a catch. Dude, I've seen you go through so much. I have seen you resolute. Your sheer doggedness to go and achieve something. It is inspirational, buddy. Well, इस वीडियो से पहले तुझे कभी बोला नहीं, मौका नहीं मिला. कई साल गुजर गए दोस्त. We've all moved up the value chain, as they say, become the corporate rats. But tu nahi dost. Few years here, few years there, but you've always had that zeal to do something more, to do something better, to make this world better. Tera entrepreneurial streak, ya tera obsession with wanting to add something new to the discourse, chahe wo public ho ya private. I think it's phenomenal, buddy. I don't know how old are you now? 40 का हो गया? I don't know, buddy. पर जो भी है, you have Anu to thank for this video, and I have Anu to thank for this video too. Gave me an opportunity to connect with my dear friend. I wish you a very, very happy birthday. I wish you many, many more happy returns of the day. Hopefully under better circumstances. मैं कैप फैशन के लिए नहीं पहना हूँ, बाल बहुत बढ़ गए हैं दोस्त. Not been to a barber. As you can guess, we are all locked down. You stay good, stay healthy, stay happy.
Hi Swapnil, this is Suvadeep from Kolkata. Me and Shripana would like to wish you a very happy birthday. God bless you and your family. I have known you for your high spirits and your high energy levels. Please keep it up and keep motivating a lot of people. Bye bye. See you.
Hi Swapnil, Ashish here. Wish you a very happy birthday and success in all your future endeavors. Welcome to the group of Fabulous 40. Today we have got a special person to wish you on your special day.
My name is Pruha. Wish you a many happy returns of the day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi Swapnil, this is Kadambari. I hope you remember me. I miss those bank camp days. We had such a great time working as a team in gig, and that was my first job, but it was wonderful working with you. I remember you as a perfectionist, yet a very creative person and an excellent team player. I wish you a very happy birthday and hope you have a great year ahead. Hope to see you soon. Bye.
A very happy 40th birthday, Swapnil. Enjoy your day. Best wishes for a lockdown birthday. Celebrate your e-birthday. I have known you for more than a decade, and one thing which I really admire about you is your never say die attitude. So keep rocking. Enjoy your lockdown birthday and best wishes. Hope to see you soon after the lockdown.
Hey Swapnil, wish you a very naughty at 40 birthday, and just to let you know, I have been forced to do this video. Keep inspiring. Take care. Happy birthday again. Bye.
Dear Swapnil, wish you a very, very happy 39th birthday. As you know that when you touch the age of 40, it doesn't cross 40. It then goes reverse. So now you go to 39, and then you go to 38 and 37, and then it's like Benjamin Button. Dear friend, really great knowing you over the last few years. I wish you a very, very happy birthday. Please don't drink too much. Please don't produce children you don't want. Have a good time, but.
Happy birthday, Swapnil. Wish you good health and a lot of happiness. And I also wish you a year of unlocked year ahead. And I hope you are staying safe and enjoying all the moments with your family. And take care. And yeah, bye-bye.
Hey Swapnil, happy 40th birthday. Now that you have the experience, I hope that you achieve everything that you pursue. Continue to be enterprising, diligent, conservative. Be good to your family. All the very best of good health, happiness, peace and prosperity. Take care of Bharti and your little daughter. Cheerio.
दुनिया में समझदार लोगों की बहुत कमी है और उस कमी में कुछ एक लोग जो हैं वो बहुत फायदेमंद हैं इस दुनिया के लिए और उनसे जुड़े हुए सारे इंसानों के लिए. One of those people is Swapnil. I know that you are turning 40 on Friday. It's time for you to say goodbye to the so-called youth, but trust me, life is going to get more and more fun from here. Wish you a very, very happy birthday, Swapnil. Live long and prosper.
Swapnil Manish, happy birthday, dude. You are an amazing soul. It has been fabulous knowing you, and I am so blessed to have you as my friend. Yeah, you are an incredible friend, a fabulous human being, and you are a polymath, dude. And more than you are a polymath, and you know it. So stop selling yourself too short, okay? And I must also tell you that there is one thing that you have that most of us don't, which is you are amazing at taking feedback, okay? तुम्हारी खामियां या छोटी छोटी फीडबैक जो हम लोग डिस्कशंस में करते रहते हैं, I have seen you taking feedback sportingly. Of course, it affects you emotionally for some time, momentarily, but you take feedback. Yeah, I have not seen somebody at 40 take such feedback so amazingly well. I mean, I can't take feedback, you know that, but you are an incredible soul in many which ways. Yeah, I have been lucky to have witnessed your emotions. I have been lucky to have partnered with you in not just in startups but in a lot of other things as well. It has been so fabulous knowing you. Yeah, it's a blessing that you are my friend. Okay, I am so proud I'm proud to flaunt you as a buddy, and what an incredible soul that I have discovered in the last couple of years. Yeah, you are a fantastic human being. Yeah, you're a beautiful person. You are absolutely fabulous. Don't worry, झगड़े and arguments हम बाद में कर लेंगे. But yeah, and what incredible conversations we have had, right? अभी भी the conversations we have, whether it's on art, whether it's on life, whether it's on politics, religion, whether it's on everyday life, whether it's on domesticity, we have and we can discuss everything on this under the sun. You are an incredible partner. You are a fabulous friend. You are a beautiful person. I wish you a lot of bliss over the next years, and I really hope that you do not sell yourself short, that you keep doing whatever the hell you want to do in life, okay? And be amazing, yeah. Stay amazing. Bye.
हाय हेलो विशिंग माय फ्रेंड स्वप्निल मनीष, हम लोग बचपन के दोस्त हैं. वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे. और जैसा कि आई बिलीव इन दिस थॉट कि once you are out of your school and college, you earn colleagues, you don't earn friends. तो बचपन से जो हमारी दोस्ती कायम है उसमें कोई तो बात है, क्योंकि दोस्त तो बहुत आए, कई लोग चले भी गए, लेकिन कुछ तो ऑनेस्टी है दोस्ती में जो अभी कायम है. तो विशिंग यू ऑल द बेस्ट इन योर लाइफ एंड ऐसे ही दोस्ती कायम रहे, रिश्ता कायम रहे और आपकी ऑनेस्टी बरकरार रहे, कॉन्साइंस जो है आपका ज़िंदा रहे हमेशा. इस अच्छे ख़यालात और विशेष के साथ मैं आपको बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद देना चाहता हूँ. यू हैव टर्न 40 लाइक मी, बिकम अ मैन. हैप्पी बर्थडे.
Hi Lintu, very 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 happy returns of the day. जैसे लास्ट ईयर तुम्हारा गया था, शायद इस साल तुम्हारा मैसेज है. आई मीन अमेजिंग. एंड देयर इज़ वन थिंग, whenever I tell my friends about my schoolmates, I tell them lots and lots of stories, but there is one story that stands out, that the very first day of my school, the very first day, I mean, you know, nursery, right? I was there like young and dashing 4-year-old Denzel Washington, crying and doing all the stuff that 4-year kids do without diapers. तुम मेरे पास आए थे and you were like, बेटा मत रो, क्यों रो रहा है? You and Ayadi, there is one story which I tell everyone, and everyone whom I know knows that story. And that is how long it has been. 36 years. 36 साल हो गए. And 40 just landmark. I mean, you know, just a milestone, nothing else. But still, a person like you, a friend like you, for 36 years with me, that's like an honor for me. And I hope as long as I live, you're there for me, because you've always been, and you have been an inspiration every time. And please stay like that. Inspire us always. Happy 40th. Stay safe. Happy birthday. My love to BG and kids. Chal bye. Cheers.